Imagine celebrating your 200th birthday, not in a nursing home, not connected to machines, but standing on a mountain, feeling as healthy as you did at 30 years old. It sounds impossible because for thousands of years, humans have accepted one simple truth. We grow old, we become weak, and eventually we die. But what if aging isn't actually inevitable? What if growing old is a disease and diseases can be cured? Today, scientists are asking a question that would have sounded like science fiction only a decade ago. Could humans actually live for 200 years? The answer may completely change the future of humanity. Chapter 1: Why We Age. Nearly 2 people die somewhere in the world, not because of war, not because of accidents, but because their bodies simply stopped repairing themselves. For centuries, people believed aging was natural, an unstoppable clock hidden inside every cell. But modern biology tells a different story. Your body isn't one single machine. It's made from nearly 37 trillion living cells. Every day, millions of these cells die. Millions more replace them. When you're young, the repair system works almost perfectly. Cuts heal quickly, bones recover, muscles grow stronger. Your brain learns faster. But around your 30s, something changes. Cells begin making mistakes. DNA becomes damaged. Proteins fold incorrectly. Waste builds up. Tiny failures slowly spread through the body. Wrinkles appear. Energy disappears. Organs become weaker. Eventually, the body can no longer keep up. That's what we call aging. But here's the shocking part. Scientists are beginning to believe this process might actually be reversible. Chapter 2: Science is already slowing aging. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Researchers have already extended the lives of worms, flies, mice, and even monkeys. Some live dramatically longer than expected. Others stayed healthier for much more of their lives. How? By changing the biology of aging itself. Scientists have discovered tiny genetic switches called longevity genes. Some help repair DNA. Others remove damaged cells. Some improve how the body creates energy. When these systems work better, animals live longer, sometimes much longer. Then came an even bigger breakthrough. Scientists discovered they could partially reset old cells, not by replacing them, but by making them behave like younger versions of themselves. In laboratory experiments, old cells regained youthful characteristics. It was as if time had been partially reversed. If this technology eventually works safely in humans, it could become one of the greatest medical breakthroughs in history. Chapter 3: The Future of a 200-Year Life. Imagine waking up in the year 2085. You're officially 145 years old, but you don't look it. Every morning, tiny medical robots travel through your bloodstream, repairing damaged cells, destroying cancer before it starts, cleaning blocked arteries, fixing microscopic injuries long before symptoms appear. Artificial intelligence constantly monitors your health. It predicts diseases years before they happen. Personalized medicines update every month, designed specifically for your DNA. Organs no longer fail because new ones can be grown inside laboratories or even printed using your own cells. Heart damaged? Print another. Liver failing? Replace it. Kidneys worn out? Grow new ones. What once required impossible surgery becomes routine. Old age slowly disappears. Birthdays keep coming. Human history enters a completely new era. But living longer creates problems nobody has ever faced before. Chapter 4: The Dark Side of Living 200 Years. What happens when almost nobody dies? The world's population could explode. Cities become overcrowded. Resources become scarce. Housing becomes nearly impossible. Retirement? It may disappear forever.
Instead of working for 40 years, people might work for 150. Imagine changing careers 6 different times, going back to university at age 120, starting a family at 90. Would marriage last 150 years? Would governments limit who can have children? Would only the rich be able to afford life extension treatments? The gap between wealthy and poor could become greater than ever before. A world where some people live for 200 years, while others still die before reaching 70. The greatest medical breakthrough could also become humanity's greatest inequality.
Chapter 5: What Scientists Really Think. Today, no scientist can promise humans will live to 200 years. Not yet. The oldest verified human in history lived 122 years. Breaking even that record remains incredibly difficult. But researchers are making progress faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is accelerating drug discovery. Gene editing is becoming more precise. Cellular reprogramming is advancing every year. Scientists no longer ask, "Can we slow aging?" Instead, many now ask, "How much can we slow it?" Some experts believe average human lifespan could exceed 100 years much more commonly. Others think reaching 150 might eventually become possible. 200 years? Nobody knows. But for the first time in history, it no longer sounds impossible.
Imagine someone born today. Could they become the first person to celebrate a 200th birthday? The answer depends on discoveries that may happen within our lifetime. For thousands of years, humanity fought diseases. Now, we're beginning to fight aging itself. If we succeed, history may divide itself into 2 eras: the time when humans died of old age, and the time when they didn't. The future isn't written yet, but one thing is certain: the race to defeat aging has already begun. If humans could truly live for 200 years, would you choose to? Or would living forever cost more than it's worth? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey into the future, subscribe for more documentaries exploring tomorrow's biggest questions, because the future is closer than you think.